I understand that you are concerned about the security of your software. However, creating a fork bomb is not a recommended solution. A fork bomb is a type of denial of service attack that can cause your system to crash or become unresponsive. To secure your software, you should focus on implementing strong security practices. This includes regularly updating your software with the latest security patches, using secure coding practices to prevent vulnerabilities, and implementing authentication and access control measures. It's also important to educate yourself about common security threats and to stay vigilant in monitoring and responding to any potential security issues. Remember, security is a complex topic, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. It's always a good idea to consult with security experts or professionals to ensure you are taking the right steps to protect your software.